The AI chef that cooks yummy and tasty videos that will take you from zero to hero.
Ever wonder what happens behind the scenes when you type a question into large language model systems like ChatGPT or Google Bard and you get an instant answer? It almost feels like magic, right? Imagine you're cruising through your favorite burger joint, hungry for some yummy burger. You pull up to the drive-thru window and you speak into the intercom. I would like a cheeseburger with fries, please. Thanks. And by the time you reach the pickup window, your meal is ready to go. That's similar to how large language model systems work. You give them a prompt or a text, your order, and you get an instant response, your meal. But how do systems like ChatGPT or Bard generate new text so fast? Let's find out together in this cooking series titled The Magic Behind Large Language Models. First, we'll explain what LLM stands for. Then, we'll look into how they are trained, from pre-training to fine-tuning and to reinforcement learning. So, what exactly are large language models, or LLMs? Let's make it easy to understand, starting with large in LLM. First, large means these models have been trained on huge amounts of internet data, often in the petabytes. To put it in perspective, a petabyte could hold the equivalent of around 500 billion books. Second, large also refers to the billions of parameters that are used by these models. These parameters are like a zip file or a condensed version of internet data. The next L stands for language, which means these models work with human language. They can understand, interpret, and produce text that sounds similar to how we talk and write. And they are not just limited to one language. They can handle multiple languages depending on their training. And finally, M stands for model, which refers to a set of math rules built using special systems called neural networks. These networks are designed to guess the next word in a sequence. Large language models come in a variety of flavors, each with their own unique strengths. For example, Google's Palm is great at understanding and generating code, while OpenAI's GPT-3 is a master of creative writing, and Meta AI's Blender is good at building chatbots for virtual assistants. These are just few examples. LLMs are also used for translating languages, automating customer service, and even helping in legal and medical fields. To summarize, LLMs are a type of generative AI trained on large amounts of text and are really good at working with human language and generating new text by predicting the next word in a sequence based on input data. To learn more about generative AI, check out our yummy video on what is generative AI. Alright, time to wrap things up here in the kitchen. In our next episode, we'll look into the first stage of training called pre-training, where the true magic of LLMs begins. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share this tasty journey with your friends. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
Happy learning and happy eating.